superstar. I'm a superstar.
we are going to see a film festival which is across the two thespians. If you can tell us something about it.
Neville
what
is
can
here
we
to tell
expect?
you about it. I'm here as a Dilip Kumar fan. So I'm here to pay my meed of tribute to him and to Marlon Brando, the two greatest actors in the world ever. So I'm here to pay my tribute to both of them.
Ma'am, we know that it's very difficult to pick the best of Dilip Kumar films because all of his films have been iconic. But
Each one has been an iconic and very best film to my mind.
Exactly.
And I love Ganga Jamna a lot
Okay.
because I love the screenplay, I love the performances, and it has a completely different kind of a texture to all the other movies
Right.
that he has done.
Current generation, anyone that you find inspiring or even remotely close to Dilip Saab from the current lot?
Acha, remotely close. No comments. I think they're all very good. They're all doing excellent work.
Okay.
All very talented. And now we have to see कि दिलीप साहब के नक्शे कदम पे कौन चलने वाला है. I think the closest to that kind of line of thinking, I think, is Amir Khan.
सायरा जी बहुत सारे एक्टर्स रहे हैं बॉलीवुड में. अमिताभ बच्चन उन्हें एक्टिंग का स्कूल मानते हैं दिलीप कुमार को.
जी,
शाहरुख
जरूर.
खान भी बहुत प्रभावित रहे हैं.
जी.
तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इतनी बड़ी फैन फॉलोइंग रही है ओवर द जनरेशन दिलीप साहब की, आप क्या कहेंगे इसमें?
मैं ये कहूँगी कि they all have very good taste when they like him so much. They have good taste.
Do you think Mumbai or which is like the heaven of the film industry needs a proper place set up for
Of course, we need more of that, and I must applaud Oceanama and Neville Tully for putting in such effort and hard work in bringing all this to light, and for building up, the charisma of our stars, whether it is Indian cinema or abroad.
That's right.
I think he's doing a fantastic job, and this is what I've come to see. Or else I never would be here alone without Yusuf Saab. I don't step out of the house without him. I wanted to see what Neville had done. So this is my tribute to him also. I think he's doing an excellent job.
जिस तरह से हम देखते हैं दिलीप साहब के पूरे सफ़र को, उसमें हमेशा हम पाते हैं कि उन्होंने वो फिल्में की जिन पे उन्हें हमेशा नाज हो, तो उनके पूरे
उनको हमेशा नाज हो जिसमें वो यकीन रखते
जी,
हो.
बिल्कुल.
एंड इफ़ यू सी हिज अर्लियर फिल्म्स एंड स्क्रिप्ट्स, तो आप देखेंगे कि दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी सोशली रिलेवेंट सब्जेक्ट्स दैट इज़ ऑलवेज chosen. And you must read his autobiography, Substance and the Shadow, to find all the answers that you are asking me. Okay, how he chose those subjects, how didn't he go in for just sort of a musical film, जो होती है, just was passing the time, but all his subjects had a social message, even when he was a very young boy. He chose very well.
Sarah ji, yet another actor who has always idolized Dilip Saab is Shah Rukh Khan. He has also done Devdas. You think he should do more of Dilip Saab's iconic movie remakes? What's your take?
I think Shah Rukh would know best, but the thing is, I'm not for remakes at all. I'm not.
can you
Because I'll tell you an instance. There was a very beautiful film called Pukar, and my mother, she starred in it, Sohrab Modi's Pukar. And Sohrab Modi later on, and Kamal Amrohi, who was the writer, they wanted to remake Pukar with Dilip Saab and with myself. And Dilip Saab called them over for lunch. We had a very laborious meeting. We had food together, and we made them understand. Dilip Saab said that you do something else, but I do not believe that I want to do a remake of Pukar or any other film. I don't believe in remakes at all. I will not be, and I cannot be Chandra Mohan, and I don't think that you can replace people like that.
Correct. Ma'am, what do you think about cinema today? Do you watch films a lot?
I hardly watch movies. I hardly watch movies. Not because they're not good, but perhaps for lack of time. I'm so much into my own domesticated life, and I'm so focused on Dilip Sahab that I hardly ever watch.
सारा में दिलीप कुमार और मर्लिन ब्रैंडो में आप किस तरह की समानताएं पाती? दोनों कंटेम्प्रेरीज हैं और आज
Contemporaries hai, and surprisingly they have both been known as method actors. But again, if you read Dilip Saab's autobiography, Substance and the Shadow, you will read in it, Neville, on page 30, he says that I don't know how I came to be regarded as a method actor. This epithet was used for him, and it was used for him actually earlier than Marlon Brando. I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
It was used for him earlier than Marlon Brando. But the way he explains it is that I simply evolved, Dilip Saab says, I simply evolved a style of acting, a method of acting. But I don't believe I am any kind of a method actor, although people call me a method actor. This is his declaration. At this juncture, I would like to say that Dilip Saab has been our very first superstar, the very first superstar. I would like to say that.
अरे मैडम एक कौन सा मैडम क्या आप ऐसा चाहेंगे कि दिलीप कुमार जी के ऊपर बायोपिक फिल्म बने? आप ऐसा चाहती हैं?
Yeah, it seems to be.
नहीं, मैंने कभी ये सोचा नहीं.
ऐसा कभी नहीं?
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा because I don't think anyone. बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल.
होएगा एक दिन, one day.
होगा.
Also
Any
mentioned
actor in your mind who could probably play him on
Yeah.
big screen?
I can't say. मुझे तो कोई नज़र आता नहीं. कोई ऐसा इंसान नज़र नहीं आता who walks on this earth.
Sarah ma'am, you also mentioned Dilip Saab should have rightly been the first superstar. Do you think that word superstar was coined later?
It probably was coined later, but to my mind and to millions of his admirers, he definitely is the first superstar.
शादी से पहले दिलीप कुमार से शादी से पहले आप उनकी फैन रही हैं और बाद
वो तो दुनिया जानती है.
उसके बाद आपने शादी की, लेकिन अगर टॉप पांच फिल्में अगर पूछी जाए दिलीप कुमार की, कौन सी रही है आपकी फेवरेट, तो कौन सी होंगी वो फिल्म?
मुझे उनकी सब फिल्म्स बहुत अच्छी लगती है और मैं उनकी दीवानी हूँ, so I can't say 5.
Sarah ma'am, should Dilip Saab had ever gone in the West as well?
Thank God he didn't. नहीं तो कोई मेम साहब ले आते तो मेरा क्या होता.